Hello, parents. This is Miss Jerome. This video is going to focus on making compound words. This is one of the skills that children struggle with in from kindergarten to second grade. They struggle putting two short words together to make one big word. So the purpose of this video, by the end of this video, they should be able to understand what is compound word, how to create their own compound word, and you could make compound word and have them trying to figure out what the compound word is. Allô, parmi mieux, c'est Mrs.Jerome-Severe. En vidéo, ça va le faire, c'est les compound word. Compound word, c'est les petits moun apprend deux mots courts, les mettre ensemble, ils viennent faire un mot. So bien, des photos, il y a un snow, et puis il y a un flake là-dedans. C'est les flakes, so l'elle vient mettre l'ensemble, les ballons l'autre, non. Les ballons l'autre mot. So c'est ça nous pour le faire. Ça c'est une skill, une matière que ti moun yo vraiment, surtout ti moun haïtien yo lutter pour yo comprendre ça parce que nous pas habitué faire ça dans sens l'école à Haïti yo. So peut-être qu'on y a yo ka faire but m'pas songer côté même là m'te fait l'école moi ici m'pas songer nous te kon faire li so non différents temps so li important pour ti moun nan kon ki jan pour le faire mot ça yo parce que là elle vient arriver puis devant elle pas connaît mot li kon ki jan pour li mot yo. So what is a compound word? A compound word is a word where two or more words have been grouped together to create a new word. And then that new word has a different meaning. So that's mean the child could have two words, two short words, and then they put them together, it create a whole new word. So qui ça compound word là? C'est un côté dont on apprend un mot qui coûte, et puis on prend l'autre mot qui coûte, mettez l'ensemble, ils viennent faire un différent mot. So I'm not sure if you were growing up, you had that access of making compound words, but you will see as I do the video how easy it is, and encourage your child to do it because that's one of the skills they test them on. And then our children are struggling understanding how to make compound words. So ça c'est une skill yo ti moun yo pa vraiment connaît. Le m'a fait vidéo wap wè ki jan li fasil fè ti pratik avèk ti moun yo pou yo kapte. Alright, so let's look at the picture and boys and girls, we're gonna guess the word. So number 1 is rain plus number 2 is bow. So number 1 is a rain, number 2 is bow. So if you put it together, you get rainbow. Very good. So are you ready? Are you ready, boys and girls? Let's go make some compound words. So like that, it will help you become better readers. All right, so there we go. Number 1 is pen. Number 2 is cake. Put it together. What do you get? Yes, pancake. Number 1 is what? Butter. Number 1 is what? Butter. And number 2 looks like a fly, right? Okay, butter. Number 2 is fly. Put it together. Oh, yes. Did you hear that word? Yes, it's butterfly. Yes. So number 1, we have star. And number 2, we have fish. Okay, put it together. What do you get? Drum roll. Starfish. Number 1, we have a basket, right? And number 2, we have a ball. Put it together. Drum roll, drum roll. What do we get? Basketball. Very good. Number 1, we have egg, right? Egg. And number 2, we have plant. Drum roll, drum roll, drum roll, drum roll, drum roll. Let's see what the answer is. Eggplant. Very good. The next one is a cup. Yes, number one is a cup. And number two is a cake. So drum roll, drum roll, drum roll, drum roll. And what do you get when you put them together? You get cupcake. Okay, number one is what? Key. And number two is what? A board, like the board your teacher writes on. So we have key that you put in the door and board, the one you write on. Put it together. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. What do we get? What do we get? Drum roll, drum roll, drum roll. What do you get? What do you? We get keyboard. And then number one, we have sun. And number two, we have a flower. And let's drum roll. And what do you get? Sunflower. Number one is, what is that? Sea. Sea. Sea like the ocean. Number two is horse. C. Number one is C. Number two is a horse. Drum roll, drum roll. And the answer is very good. If you say seahorse, very good. Well done, boys and girls. Don't forget to keep practicing every day with your mom and dad. So, like that, when you are in school, you understand what the teacher is doing. Pa bliye pratike avek maman ou papa ou, kon sa lò nan klasan pou kon ki sa profeseur ap fe. Paran pa bliye fe pratika timon yo pou yo konen ki jan pou yo fe kombinasyon de un mot à un l'autre mot pour yo faire un mot différent. On va faire pratique là, on va comprendre ça va faire ça montre là, on va faire li, on va mettre l'autre mot pour aider Timonio. Parents, as their child become accustomed to this video, I ask you to make your own words so your children could make new words as you taught them how to do compound words. And that's all until next time.